Welcome back everyone. I am Aishwarya. So let's continue the series on blockchain. In the previous video we discussed on cryptography and two types of cryptography. One is symmetric key cryptography and second is asymmetric key cryptography. We discussed on symmetric key cryptography and its drawbacks. So let's move on to asymmetric key cryptography, which is also called public key cryptography. So basically we have two types of keys. One is private key and second is public key. One key is used to encrypt the plain text to convert it into ciphertext, and the second key is used to decrypt the ciphertext to read the message. So in a network, everyone will have two keys. If A wants to send a message to B and B wants to send a message to C, we will have multiple nodes and each node will have two keys. One is private key and second is public key. A will have its own private key and public key, B will have its own private key and public key, and C will have its own. So if you want to encrypt or decrypt the message, you have to use both the keys, not one. If you encrypt the message with public key, you have to decrypt the message with private key. Or if you want to encrypt the message with private key, you have to decrypt it with public key. So we have to use both the keys at the same time. You can't simply say I will encrypt and decrypt both with the public key or the private key. That's not possible. So how do we achieve security here? For example, if A wants to send a message to B, as we all know, B's public key is known to everyone. So A will encrypt the message with B's public key. Now this encrypted message will go to B. Everyone will be able to see the encrypted message, but no one will be able to decrypt it. The encrypted message will only be decrypted by B's private key. So now you will know your own private key, but everyone else will know your public key. This is how we do. This is how we achieve security. Okay, let's do it again. If C wants to send a message to D, D's public key will be known to everyone. C will encrypt the message with D's public key, and D will decrypt the message with its own private key. This is how cryptography works. And this is how security is implemented. But now the question arises, what is this key? Is it a number or some text? That we will discuss in the separate video. Till then, thanks for watching.